Rebath is a franchisor focused on bathroom remodeling. We just recently rebranded as Rebath here in Scottsdale after we acquired it as a corporate store. When you come to our showroom, it's freshly remodeled and you're going to get to see all of the latest colors, all of the latest patterns, all of the latest textures. It'll really give you some good inspiration on how to think about your space and what you may want your bathroom to look like in your home. One of the things that makes Rebath different is the fact that we come out to your home, we spend a couple of hours and really help you with the design. Design isn't just about picking colors, it's about making sure that the products all work in a design style that fits within the design style of your home. Then, once we've landed on the design, a few weeks later we're going to show up with a two-man crew. That crew is your crew. They're our staff, they are not contractors. They're going to be the same crew that demos your bathroom and installs your new bathroom. That makes it very efficient. We can get in and out of your home in 2 to 5 days, depending on the size of your project. We don't start your project until all of the product is here, ready to go. And we've already helped you with the design, so we know exactly what the product is. That project is ready to be done. We try to make sure the scope stays manageable. Surprises happen when you start to open up your walls. You don't know what the electrical and plumbing is once you get in there. So if we can stay in the same footprint, remove the old product, put in new product, we can guarantee a very fast, efficient process. We love working with our customers on design. And what you can expect from us related to design is to first of all sit down and understand what is your design style. Are you modern, transitional, traditional, rustic, any number of other styles? Once we've landed on that, we can then look around your home and be like, yeah, this style works within the home that you currently have. Next, we're gonna help you go through and pick the base color that you're looking for. Once you've landed on that base color, we're then going to find all of the complementary products that work within both the design style and that color palette to make that room come together and be the room of your dreams. We collaborate with Dave and Jenny Mars from HGTV, Fixer to Fabulous. What they do on their show is very, very similar to what we're trying to do in real life, which is somebody to come out and help you with the design and make sure that it's aesthetically what you're looking for and that it all functions effectively together. That's Jenny's part of the show. But then Dave's part of the show is to make sure that we come along and actually get the project demoed and installed effectively so everything works right and that it's done fast and efficient and hassle-free for you. All of our projects start with a free in-home consultation. That includes the design. So we're going to be at your home working on the design, letting you know how much that bathroom is going to cost. That's no cost to you at all. The best way to book an appointment with us is to go to our website, rebath.com. There's forms that you can fill out, and one of our design consultants will be in touch with you very shortly to schedule an in-home appointment for you.